Hey everyone, it's your boy Tyler Odin from affiliate.watch. Today's video, I'm super excited. I'm going to show you how to set up your own VPN server with a technology, an open source technology called OpenVPN. This is the technology a lot of the VPN companies use. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of the middleman, and you can set up this technology on any server in the world as long as you have root access to that server. I'm going to show you how to install it in just minutes with this awesome script. I'm also going to show you how to get 9 months for free, so you don't have to pay for the first 9 months to do any of this. Okay, and if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform that reviews the best referral and affiliate programs out there. And I also do videos on tech tutorials, traveling the world, entrepreneurship. If you like that stuff, make sure to subscribe. Today's video, we're going to be sampling DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean is one of the biggest cloud hosting companies in the world. If you are very concerned about your privacy, I would not recommend using OpenVPN on any company in the 14 Eyes countries, okay? And I would highly recommend you do your research and due diligence. If you just want to test it out or use a VPN for something simple like work or something like that, then you could go ahead and try this. I will leave information down below how to get 5 months for free on DigitalOcean and also how to get 4 months for free on their competitor Vultr. So you could do this for 9 months without ever paying anything. And their servers start at $5 and Vultr start at $2.50. So by using the free credits, you can last a long time for free. Okay? So what you're going to want to do is go to DigitalOcean.com or any website where you can get a server, and you're going to want to click sign up. Once you're signed up and you follow the instructions below, you'll have some credits, and you can go here and you'll be logged in the dashboard, and you're going to click the create button in the top right menu, the green button, and you're going to click create droplet. What a droplet is just DigitalOcean uses a fancy name for a server. That's all it is. It's a server, okay guys? And it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to want to click Ubuntu. Ubuntu is already going to be by default, okay? Because we just want a simple Ubuntu server. We don't want WordPress or PHP or anything on it, okay? And then we're going to go down to $5. We want the cheapest server possible because that's all we need for a VPN, okay? And then we're going to choose what country or location we want. Singapore is a nice country. We'll go ahead and select there. And then you basically you have to add an SSH key. If you don't have an SSH key, they're going to send you a password to log into the server. That is dangerous because they just brute force passwords all day. An SSH key just protects you in many ways, and it's very easy to set up. To set up an SSH key, all you have to do is type in ssh-keygen space -t space and then the type of SSH key we want. We're just going to do RSA, and we hit enter. It's going to ask us where we want to save the file. Since we're already on the desktop and we don't want to save it in this SSH folder, we could put a custom name. So I'm just going to make the name called custom. Enter a passphrase. I'm going to do no passphrase. And then boom. And now if we go to view our file, you can see we have a custom file and a custom.pub. Custom.pub is our public key. That is the file we want. And you don't want to show anyone your private key, okay? And so we're going to go ahead and click copy, and you click new SSH key, you paste in your key, and then you can put any name. It does not matter. It's just a name for you to reference. It doesn't have to be called custom. It's just for your reference, okay? And then you click add SSH key. I already have an SSH key, so I'm just going to go ahead and click that. You could do a name. You could do like a VPN or whatever. It doesn't matter. And then we'll just do VPN in this case. We click create, okay? It's going to go ahead and create us our server. While we're creating our server, I'm going to go ahead and show you where we can get that OpenVPN script, so we don't have to spend hours configuring OpenVPN. It usually takes about an hour or two to install, and that's if you do have good Linux skills, okay? But these guys have made it so easy for us. Just go to your favorite search engine and type in NYR space OpenVPN. And then this will be the first search result, okay? And we're going to go down here, and you see this, we're going to basically wget, which basically downloads a bash script, and then we're going to run that bash script. And it's going to help us configure the OpenVPN server very, very fast. Okay, let's see if we, boom, our server is already up and running. So we're going to go ahead and click copy the IP address. Okay, we're going to go back here. We're going to log into the server. SSH space root, because we get a default root user with DigitalOcean, and then the IP address. It's going to ask us, are you sure you want to connect? We're going to go ahead and type yes. Now we are in the server. So we can go back here and we can copy this one liner and boom, okay? Now it's going to ask us for some information. We're going to go ahead and just do all the defaults. So just press enter, 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 enter. Now it's going to download some different packages and help configure everything for us. And then it's going to give us the client file, and we named it client, okay? That was the last step. It was asking us what we wanted to name the client. We just named it client, okay? So this takes about a minute. Boom, it's done. And you can see I'm going to type in cat and then client.ovpn, okay? And then I'm literally just going to copy this entire thing. Okay. And then I'm going to create a file on my desktop called client.ovpn. Basically the same file. I'm going to paste it in. Boom. Okay. And now you now have your VPN file on your desktop ready to use. To use it, and make sure you guys, you do not exit this video already, because I'm going to show you, you may have a DNS leak. I'm going to show you how to prevent that, okay? You're going to type in sudo openvpn --config client.ovpn, okay? You're just going to type this in and you're going to hit enter. And it's going to launch your VPN. I am not going to do it because I do not want to dox myself. It shows some personal info. So just go ahead and press enter and you will have access to your VPN. But this is very important, guys. We're going to go back to the client file, okay? First, I want you to go on the internet and type in DNS leak, okay? And I want you to go to this website, dnsleaktest.com. And maybe go to 2 of them and check if your DNS is leaking, your domain name servers, okay? Because your, I don't know if it's domain name servers, but whatever it means, okay? You guys, your real IP address may still be showing. There may be a way to get it. And this is specifically for people with Linux. And I found this out the hard way. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add, and I will put this in the description, okay? You want to add these 3 lines of code. Script-security2, and then this up, and then this down thing, okay? I don't know exactly what it does, but it was in the OpenVPN forums, and this is how you fix it, and this will fix a DNS leak. So if you have a DNS leak, right below the verb line, you're going to put these 3 lines of code, and I will put these in the description for you, okay? Not everyone's going to have a DNS leak, but I just want to make sure you guys are absolutely protected and your IP is not leaking, okay? And then you would simply save that file, and then you would go back and you would just run this command again, and boom. And you guys can also take this client file and you can put it on your Android, your iPhone, and there's apps that will ask you for your OpenVPN file. So you can run your OpenVPN on the desktop, the iPad, the iPhone, the Android, the Linux phone, the television. I don't care what it is. You can take this file as long as there's an application that will use it, and boom. And you may also need to install OpenVPN, sudo apt-get install OpenVPN, okay? That is something you may have to do if you're already on Linux and your distro doesn't have OpenVPN by default. And yeah, guys, that's how you create your own VPN server. It's very easy, and like I said down below, I will leave instructions on how to get a bunch of free credits, so you could do this for like 9 months for free. And yeah, guys, if you like these tutorials, make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment, make sure to like. If you have any issues or troubles or questions, leave them down below and I will help you. And it'll be great to help you because it will help others, because other people may have the same question as you. There's no stupid question. Feel free to ask them, and I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing day. And make sure you use a VPN to browse the internet. Peace out.